Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. We will first be doing the cue card and then the follow-up questions. So make sure you watch till the end. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a subject you would like to learn in the future. You should say what it is, where and how you want to learn, why you want to learn, and explain if it will be difficult to learn it. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So for a question like this, you can talk about any subject that you actually want to learn. Maybe math, some people are passionate about biology, maybe history, or any other subject that you like. Okay? So now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Learning new skills is crucial as it helps to enhance knowledge, ability, competence, as well as gain expertise in a specific area. And today, I would like to talk about web designing, which I would like to learn. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given the examiner a little bit of an introduction as well as clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. So, competence means capability of doing something. Expertise means to become an expert in something. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, web designing focuses on the planning and development of functional websites to offer a good user experience, and I would like to learn this course through online learning portals, getting access to relevant books from my local library or directly from a professional in the field. So we are just describing the different methods how we can learn it, right? Maybe through online portals. These days everything is available online, or from using textbooks, which is the common and traditional method, and also by hiring a tutor or someone who is very knowledgeable in the field, a mentor or a teacher, right? So that's what we are trying to say here. I also plan to gain know-how in the field by watching YouTube tutorials which would reduce the financial burden of learning the subject while at the same time offer me flexibility of studying according to my own schedule and availability. So these days, YouTube is becoming a very popular learning platform, right? Because it gives you the flexibility of doing things at your own pace. Say, for example, if you are working in the daytime, right, it gives you the flexibility of studying during night time or whenever you want. And also, it's free of cost. So, that's what we are trying to say here, that I would like to learn the subject through YouTube tutorials because it will give you the flexibility of doing things at your own pace. Alright, so let's continue. Additionally, I would like to pursue this subject as these days all companies and organizations are trying to increase their digital presence, and this skill would be thus applicable for a wide array of sectors, leading to a lucrative and successful career. So increase the digital presence means everyone is trying to be online these days, right? Every company and organization is having a website of their own where they showcase all their key features, right? And gives users a chance to know more about the company. So learning how to design websites is in demand and used in a variety of sectors these days, right? Even like pharmaceutical companies or people who are in the food industry, all of them have a website. So you can use this type of skill in all industries. So that's what we are saying here. Lucrative means something that will give you high salary. Alright, so let's continue. Besides that, becoming a web designer would also give me the privilege to network with professionals, opening the doors for more opportunities in future. Privilege means advantage. Alright, so we have answered the first 3 questions. The last question, which is explain if it will be difficult to learn it, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, I feel that learning the course would be a tough nut to crack, as I am from a science background and learning hardcore computer concepts like HTML and JavaScript would be quite challenging. So we have used an idiom here which is tough nut to crack, which means difficult. So instead of using the word that was already in the question, we used an idiom to convey the same meaning, because using idiomatic phrases increases your band scores for the lexical resources part later on. Challenging means again difficult. However, I am confident that with my hard work and dedication, I will surely be able to come out with flying colors. So, to come out with flying colors is again an idiom which means to be successful in something.
So now let's do the follow-ups for describe a subject you would like to learn in the future. The first question is, should schools teach both arts and science? In my opinion, schools should teach both arts and science to provide a well-rounded education that develops creativity, cultural appreciation, and analytical skills, which further develops diverse perspective in students. Second question is, what kind of courses are useful for university students? Nowadays, there are many useful courses in which students can enroll at university level. These include data analytics, business entrepreneurship, and psychology. These courses help to broaden skills as well as provide higher salaries. Third question is, why do some students dislike studying at school? Well, I feel there are multitude of reasons students dislike studying at school. These include lack of engagement, difficult courses, and negative school experiences. I think it is important to have a happy environment for students so that they enjoy coming to the classes. Fourth and the last question is, what school activities are good for school children? Well, there are many beneficial activities which children can do at school. These could be sports, drawing, or just chatting with friends. These activities help foster social skills, teamwork, and leadership. Okay, so this was the follow-ups for describe a subject you would like to learn in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button